As leaders, you have to be the most. If you want people in your organization to be on time, then you have to be the most on time. If you want people to value your customers, then you have to value your customers the most. If you want your employees to work hard, then you have to work hard the most. People don't do what you expect, they do what you inspect. People see you, they follow by example. You cannot push for things that you're unwilling to embody as a leader. If you want people to be nice, then you've got to be the nicest. But this is where it gets a little tricky, because oftentimes leader will say, well, I'm really not the most cheerful person. Then you have to hire for that and surround yourself with people who are cheerful, and it will infect the team. Bear in mind though, that if you have this around you, it may agitate you, but that's the cost of leadership. You have to understand that having to push all the time is not going to be healthy for you, nor is it going to be healthy for your people. I want you to understand that you're going to have to pull by your excellence. Understand that if we got to push this string, it's going to crumble under the pressure. But if you pull by being the best, smart people will truly learn how to follow. And if you don't have smart people, then it's time to, as difficult as this is going to sound, you're going to have to hire new people and fire some of the old people. Most business problems are really recruiting problems in disguise. Your Monday morning takeaway is this: spend some time